Good day everyone, welcome to 2-minute tutorial. For today's video, I will teach you how to use minimum, maximum, and average functions in Excel. As you can see, I have here a data of the number of sacks of rice harvested per year. In year 1, there are 50 sacks of rice, 45 for year 2, 46 for year 3, 36 for year 4, 40 for year 5, and lastly, for year 6, there are 43 sacks of rice harvested. To get the minimum number of sacks of rice harvested, we will type equal sign, min, open parentheses, select all the data, close parentheses, and press enter. For maximum number of sacks of rice harvested, we will type equal sign, max, open parentheses, select all the data, close parentheses, and press enter. And lastly, for the average number of sacks of rice harvested, we will type equal sign, average, open parentheses, select all the data, close parentheses, and press enter. So, as you can see, for the 6 years, the minimum amount of sacks of rice harvested was in the year 4, which is 36. And the maximum number of sacks of rice harvested is 50, which occurred on year 1. And the average number of sacks of rice harvested per year was 43. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.